Thousands of flights canceled at Bradley yesterday as the blizzard pounded the Northeast.
Here at home, Bradley International was open, but planes were not leaving the tarmac.
Yeah, News 8's Brittany Taylor is there live for us this morning to bring us the latest on the current situation. Brittany, I would imagine you're running into a lot of very frustrated travelers there this morning.
I sure am, Keith and Laura. We've been speaking to a couple of them. People have been sleeping at the airport. So this has not been a pretty situation for some people. We want to bring you the latest updates here at Bradley, though. We have spokesperson Brian Spiros. Hey, good morning. Great to see you.
Good morning. Good to be with you.
So we have some good news. We're doing better than yesterday when 95% of flights were canceled. Now it's at 25%. But the majority of those flights are supposed to be this morning that have been canceled. What's the reason for that, Brian?
So we are certainly trending in the right direction, which is what we want to see. So because there were so many cancellations yesterday due to the weather, there were not all of the aircraft that came in late last night to then operate flights this morning. And so we're seeing most of those cancellations concentrated to these early morning flights. And then as we head through the morning and the afternoon, the airlines are going to start bringing aircraft in and operating those flights.
So this is more so a staffing issue this morning, which is the reason for those canceled flights.
Yeah, we have no aircraft to operate them. So the airlines will bring aircraft in and then operate those flights as we head through the day. And we're hoping as we get through the later morning, early afternoon, it will be normal operations.
All right. So this afternoon, hopefully, we will see those flights start to depart. How are your crews preparing for that right now? I know the tarmac was a tough situation yesterday with all that snowfall accumulation. What are they doing to prepare for that this morning?
So our crews have been out around the clock since the snow started falling Sunday afternoon. They have been out there clearing everything, the runways, the taxiways, the ramp areas, as well as landside, the arrival, departure, departure levels, and then all of the sidewalks out there. So we're making sure that, the airport is open, which it is, and that all of the surfaces are safe for passengers and, of course, all of the aircraft.
I can imagine those crews are very tired. It's been all around the clock effort. For those travelers that have a flight that is supposed to be departing here out of Bradley today, what is your advice for those?
The advice is what we always say: be sure to check the status of your flight before you come to the airport. Even though the airlines are getting back up on track and on a routine schedule, there can be some residual cancellations or delays. So check the status of your flight today and even into tomorrow.
All right, good advice there. Brian Spiros, we thank you for your time.
Thank you.